Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left side ice bucket rail in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Lift the ice bucket up in the front and pull it out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the front and rear screws to release the old rail from the liner. Install the new ice bucket rail by positioning it on the liner, then thread the front and rear screws to secure. Reinstall the ice bucket. If the bucket doesn't slide all the way in, you can rotate the auger to allow the bucket to be fully seated. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.